Daniel is 5 feet 7 inches. So to get everything into inches, we multiply this by 12 and then we add the 7.
67 inches.
Now why should I multiply by 12? Because 1 foot is 12 inches. This one, we have it in, the 7 is already in inches, isn't it? Are we together? The 7 is already in inches, so we are only changing this into inches and then we add the 7.
67.
I want all of us to be on board and I want it. You understand? Okay, so we have so the 5 feet will give us 60 inches. 5 times 12 is what? 60. Then we add the 7 inches and that gives us 67 inches. Are we together up to this point?
Yes.
Now we need to know all this so that if somebody gives you his height in inches or in centimeters or in whatever, you know how to do the change. But if somebody comes to you and tells you my height is 1.3 meters, you have no problem. You have no problem. So Daniel's height now is in inches, 67 inches. Are we all together until this point?
Yes.
Okay, let's move forward. It is now easier to convert the 67 inches into centimeters. It also has a conversion factor. Conversion factor is what? 2.5. So you just multiply. So multiply 67 inches by 2.54, which is the conversion factor, and you get it in what? Centimeters. We are getting closer to meters. Getting closer to meters. Who is confused until this point? Is she okay? Okay, now we are ready to convert this into meters. What do we do to get it into meters? Divide by 100. Excellent. Now convert 170.86 centimeters into meters by dividing it by 100. So Daniel's height is now 1.7 meters. His weight is what? 70 kgs, isn't it? Have you forgotten Daniel's weight?
It is 70.
70. And we also have his height. So now we have it in kg and we have it in meters. This is in meters. And then his weight is 70 kg. So we are now ready to calculate his BMI. Who does not understand? Are you together? Okay. Now, just put the figures into the formula. Weight, put 70 here. And then, what are we going to do to 0.170? We're going to multiply by 2.
14.
No, it's meter squared. Yeah, the same number. We're going to, what I'm saying is we multiply it by itself 2 times. So 1.70 times 1.70.
2.89.
Okay. Let's see. Meter squared 2.89. Then you divide. 70 divided by 2.89 is what? Okay, 24.22. This is my BMI. Now, there is a guide, BMI guide, to compare this with. This is the guide. Less than 20, if your BMI is less than 20, you are underweight. If your BMI is between 21 to 25, you are normal weight. If your BMI is between 26 to 30, you are overweight. And overweight is what? What is the definition of overweight? When your weight is between 1 to 19% above your ideal body weight, then you are overweight. You are not yet obese. But if it is your BMI is more than 25, you are morbidly or grossly obese. Now, what do you need to know to calculate your BMI? What do you need to know?
Height.
What do you need to know? Number one,
Height.
you need to know your weighting. And what do you need to know? Your height. Once you know weight, what you do in the hospital, let them give you your they can check your weight. I mean, the measure they can take your height for you. Your height will never change. Now you are not. So once they give you your height, let them